Hi! Today's video will be called Fire. I hope you enjoy. So let me first introduce you to everybody. Well, we have Dennis, Sophie, Mia. We still got the wrong character and also the wrong name. She's Maya, Rachel. And can't forget about the main character, Charlie. Her name is called Charles, but he doesn't like to be called that. And can't forget about his cousin Jacob. And of course, the lovely teacher called Mrs. Alexandra, but the student is called a teacher. Okay, hi everybody. Let's see if I got everybody. This is second. Okay, let's see. Do I have Dennis? Over here, Mrs. Alexandra. Do I have Sophie? You said you. Ooh. Do I have the one and only Jacob? You said you had the one and only amazing Jacob. How about you, Charles? You mean Charlie, right? And do I have Maya? Yeah, you do have Maya. Great. And how about Rachel? Yeah, you have Rachel. Wow. Well, a yummy apple. An apple for a teacher. Aw, that's so sweet of y'all. Okay, so we do some maths. Okay. So, let's see. You can just get something. I'm just gonna write the sum, you know. Oh, okay. I like this anyway. So, let's do 1 times 8. Anybody know that? Yeah, I know it's 8. Okay, that's very nice. Don't know it's us. But you have to put your hand up. Okay, teacher. I'm sorry. Does anybody know it? Me. Yes, Charles? It's 8. Ooh, that's pretty hard. Okay, great. After maths. Okay, so maths is over, guys. But I do really want to say something to you. What is it? I'm glad you asked, honestly. Well, we had lots of fire alarms. Wait, there'll be lots of fire today? But no. Rachel, first put your hand up and no. Okay. But we'll be practicing, so when there'll be an actual fire, probably won't happen. And then you'll be prepared. Oh, but what? But I don't still get it. Why do you need it? You want to pretend there's fire? I gotta make fire? Imagine if you were here and then there'll be fire and then you don't know what to do when it's a fire and then you go toot toot toot. Okay, so just like that. Oh, now I get it. Great. So now you can all eat your food. Yum. Smack like them. After food break. So you all eat right? We're the best food ever. Okay, well, let's move on to side. Oh my gosh, what was that? Oh, look at the fire alarm. Ah! What? I'm gonna be trapped here forever. Wait, what's going on? Ah! What do we have to do? I don't know what to do. What in the earth is going on here? I'm so young. Where's my teddy? I had to go get my teddy. Okay, you're not gonna get the teddy, okay? Everybody, first thing first is be calm, okay? How do an earth are we meant to be calm? Wow! The alarm is so loud! I don't know what to do. It's scary! Don't worry, and it might be scary the first time, but don't worry, it'll be like 5 times, don't worry, just follow me. Okay, don't worry. The first thing you have to do is walk calmly. Okay, don't run. Okay, and walk calmly outside to a waiting spot. What waiting spot? Great question. I'll be showing you now. There's no time to wait. I have to go. I have to get my teddy. Wait, that's not my locker. Okay, please, next time do not get your teddy. If the axe fire, you can never get your teddy. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is a waiting spot. I like to say at school where you wait for your parents. I'm going to stay here and do all this stuff. Okay, so just take a seat and just wait till the fire is done. And when it's done, instead of 15 minutes, let's go. It's so cold out here. And just sit here, yes. Okay, let's just wait. And other class should be coming too. Look, it's being so good. You can get some chocolate. Chocolate? Yeah. But there's only 2 because there's so many other snacks. What? We never get it. I'm starting to like this. Does anyone want a cookie? No, you want this normally. All you want, guys. This has a great job. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Num. Cookie. Chocolate. Give me more. Okay. The next day. Again? And the next one. Again? I guess so. Now, let's do what we learned. The next one. Again? I'm surprised. And the next one. Again? But what does it mean to say again? But the next one was different? What do you mean different? So, when you add this one to this one, it becomes a rainbow. Pretty cool, right? Whoa! Okay, so now we're just gonna just spread it on the bike because you all study a lot, right? Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna give you your books. And here. Okay, now you can take a pencil. So you can use. I don't have any pencils. Yeah. Getting really hard here, teacher. No. Yeah, okay, it's just white. It is getting a bit hard here, and I don't like that. Okay, it gets. Let me just can you put the water thing on? Sorry, but there's only just fire here. It's so hot. Look at it's fire. It does. I feel like a bucket of fire just went on me. I just continue to test. If you need water, get it. And then I need to go to the bathroom. Let me just put my pencil back, and let me just put this back. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Yay! That was a close one. Okay, let's do this. teacher. Yeah. I told them the test. Yeah, but what's the water on? I don't know too. At least it helps. They're all having when the smoke is. And they don't smoke. Like, they don't smoke at all. Like, I can't see any. Yeah, me too. Okay, just put the test back. Bing! Ugh, another a fake fire alarm. Ugh, I hate them. I know, right? Ugh, why can't you stop it? We get it, okay? We get it. Guys, I don't think that's fake fire. What? There's actual fire? And it's in a classroom? Okay, guys, this. Remember all the practice we did, okay? Oh my god, there's another fire. What is going on? It's feeling a little hot in here. Dun dun dun. Guys, just be calm. Okay, they're walking the straight line. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. And long as it's teddy bear this time. Where my teddy bear? Don't worry, teddy bear will be fine. Let's go. Oh, did this fire? Okay, I had to do. Okay, call the firefighter. Calling firefighter now. Here, what's the emergency? Don't say it's an prank call. No, not prank call. It's actually fire. What? Okay, I'm gonna quit this because I don't have any. Okay, let's go. Where's the fire? I don't know. Let's stop in my classroom. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, I see it. Okay, let's go. Firefighters. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going. Okay, come on. Okay, goodbye, to the classroom. No, go. At least here we're safe. Yeah, I guess so. Okay. I was gonna sit next to me. I'll get like a hug or something. I was scared. Okay, then you're gonna just give me a hug. Okay, I'll stay with you. I think I'm gonna be traumatized my whole life. I'm likely sorry. Okay, let's stay. I know Australia, they have so much fire and fall and so many animals get dead. That is scary. I don't think we're going to talk about it now. Yeah, me too. Okay, let me see if I have anything. Okay, can you stop calling? Okay. Do I have Maya? Yeah, Maya's here. Do I have Sophie? Yeah, Sophie's here too. And then Dennis? Yeah, Dennis here. Okay, and do I have Rachel? Charlie, but I don't really care now. Jacob, that's me. I think I'm missing somebody. Oh wait, that's Dennis. Dennis? Well, last time I saw it, he was going to the bathroom. The bathroom? Oh my gosh, he's stuck in the bathroom. That means load, and there's fire in the bathroom. What? No, Dennis! Don't wait, I'll just tell the firefighters to come. I'm gonna call the firefighter. Where's my phone? Oh, I actually left my fire in the classroom for some time. It's also a bit broken, but it's just fine. Does this work? It doesn't work. Wait, I think this is voice. Hi. Hi. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. I think it's glitching. Okay, sorry, my phone's a bit broken. A bit? My lord. Okay, I left a boy in the bathroom, and I hit, what's his name? Dennis. Here, boy. Okay, we'll go get him. Okay, and it's fire in the bathroom. Okay, don't worry, we'll get him. Okay, we'll get him. Okay, let's see what this boy he's talking about. Dennis. You see the boy's bathroom? I guess he has to be here. Oh, I already see the fire. It's getting mighty hot. I'm trying to get the fire. What is that white thing? Okay, I'm gonna try to unlock the door. It's so locked. Guys, why was this? Sorry, kiddo. Why are you here? I think you got his practicing way too far. I think I have to wash my. Okay, what's my car? Okay, let's go. Okay. There's any fire. That's why we're so hot and burning. Please. Okay, come. Okay. Let's go to class. Well, my class. Don't worry, we know your class is. Don't worry, just help us. My mom said don't talk to strangers. Danger. Okay, let's go. Come on, Dennis. Come on. Yeah, you're not strangers. We put the fire down. Okay. Better we just stay here for some time because we want to make sure. There you go, Dennis. Oh my gosh, thank you, firefighter. I'm going to be a firefighter just like you. That's a great dream. When I was younger, I also want to be a firefighter. You know why? Well, because... Okay, no, sorry, Tom, please. Let's take the fire out of our school. All down to be done, and we have to pay for the school, for the class. Oh, yes, of course. There we go. Okay, we put the fire down, and your class is safe. I hope you have some good day. Now, kids, what do you say? Thank you, firefighters. You're welcome. It's our duty to say the day. Bye. Yay! Who wants to learn geography? Yay, geography. Let's go back to the class. A nice, clean class. Okay, great, everybody. This is so great. Now, let's go to our clean classroom. I don't think this is clean, because in my days, this is never clean. Well, I guess we'll be skipping geography for cleaning up. Yay! I hope you enjoyed. Woo! But I guess I do. All this one. Pick my phone. Hi, again. If you found out how I made the fire, please do not copy it. But if you want get able to use it, please just give me credit in the beginning of the episode. I would say my YouTube channel and be like, this idea is from Tanya's Happy Story. Then you may use it. Okay? But that's just if you found it out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!